Hello, how are you, my students? Okay, are you fine? Fine. Now I want to discuss with you two question answers of the best Christmas present in the world. Number one is in group discuss whether what's a good way to end conflicts between countries. Then present your arguments to the whole class. Answer. War brings in a lot of hurt and devastation with it. It exhibits the unseen and unfair side of humans. We all know that war causes devastation. We almost hate war. At the same time, war also reveal the unseen and unfair side of humans, like cruelty, etc. Nations fight a war sometimes for pretty reason like sharing or conquering a piece of land or due to religion. So many causes are there for war. Sometimes for religion and sometimes for to get a land. Suppose obsolete situation is that there is a small fight between China and India. This is due to the conquering or occupying the land. Soldiers who fight the war leaves their families behind and their children become orphaned. But actually it's a very tragic part for the soldiers. They sometimes hug death and their orphans about their offspring or their children, they become orphaned. That means they lost their parents, and sometimes this happens so that the wives of the soldiers, they become widow. Then they lay down their lives for their respective countries. Therefore, war and definitely not an ideal way to end conflict and cause huge destruction to life and property. Next you see the meaning, that is herald means hate, devastation means destruction or ruin, exhibit means show, display or reveal. Okay dear. Next you see. The second question, do you think the title of the story is suitable for it? Can you think of any other title? In my opinion, the title of the story is very apt and suits it perfectly. The favorite spirit of Christmas prevails throughout the story. It clearly mentions how the warring troops longed for peace and had a strong desire to return home safely to their respective families. They shared a wonderful moment together by sharing food, drinks, and talk to their hearts' content and played a football match among themselves. However, when the narrator goes to visit Connie, along with the letter written by her husband, Jim McPherson, she presumes the author to be her husband and thanks him for gifting her the best Christmas present ever. The another title it may be The Best Christmas Gift or When a Christmas Wish Comes True. Okay, my dear? Take care. Bye.